Jola and James are brothers. They love themselves so much. One day, Jola needed help in locking their house door. He called James and James came to help immediately. That was the same thing Nehemiah did. Immediately he heard that his brothers and sisters in Jerusalem were in trouble and were suffering. He immediately asked God if he could go and help them. Nehemiah went to Jerusalem and motivated the people to join him in rebuilding the city. Everyone joined their hands together and worked. Anytime they felt tired or even discouraged, Nehemiah would encourage and motivate them to keep working. While they were working, some people were not happy that the children of Jerusalem were working together. These people were called Sanballat and Tobias. They told the children of Jerusalem that they would make them suffer. If they worked, they would destroy it. Nehemiah knew these people's evil plans, so he encouraged the children of Jerusalem to ignore them and focus on their work. In conclusion, Nehemiah was a good leader. He loved his country and had faith in God to lead him through. The Jews too were strong people. They had learned their lesson and still believed in God, and they didn't allow the negative people to deceive them. Thank you and bye for now.